What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a ton of crazy stuff for this video, so make sure you stay till the end. My brother's TSX is going to be unwrapped. So right now it's a glacial frost. It's this blue purple, it's a really crazy color, but we found something even crazier. I'm going to be trying it out, wrapping his car in it. I'm going to be showing you guys the color at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned. We're going to get a really cool cinematic of it first because we want to make sure we have something to remember the car by. You know, you want to be able to look back and see the different stages of the car. So I'm going to make a really cool cinematic. I'll show you guys in a second. My brother's not home right now, so we got to wait for him to get back. Right now I'm just shooting this intro. If you haven't already, I got the Mustang right here. Check out last video. Link is in the description. I went ahead and I wrapped this. Anyway, before we get started, make sure you go down below and drop a like. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because you're not going to want to miss second part of this build. The color's crazy. Trust me, guys. Just wait to the end. You'll see it. It's absolutely insane. You're not going to want to miss it. So make sure you go down below, smash the like button and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Okay guys, so now that we got all that out the way, we're gonna go ahead and start pulling the wrap off. Tips, if you're actually doing it yourself, use a heat gun or a blowtorch. The best bet is to actually let it sit out in the sun. We don't actually have much sun outside, as you can see, so we're just gonna pull it in the garage. It's also kind of cold out, and we're just gonna use a heat gun and a blowtorch. It makes it 100 times easier. It will prevent the amount of glue left behind. If you can, leave it out in the sun, let it bake. That is the best bet. But we're gonna go ahead, pull the wrap off. We're gonna get all the door panels off, handles, everything's gotta be disassembled. That way I can tuck the wrap in as far as possible. We're gonna go ahead and get right into it and get started.
I was looking into darkness for something to hold on. Found you when you were so broken. Felt something was wrong. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Ooh, I'm in love with you. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.
Alright, so you're probably wondering what color we're doing this in and where the progress is at. We got the bumper off, the lip is off. I got all the door handles out, the door panels are out. We're working on the taillights back there. We got the bumper off. I actually have the bumper outside right now. It's dark, so I'll have to show you in a different clip. It was, I don't know if it was repainted or what it was before he bought the car. So it seems like it definitely was repainted because the clear coat's got drips in it. Apparently it happens when if you don't know what you're doing when you paint in the cold and the clear coat's just dripping. It looks terrible. Apparently I guess it was repainted. Some of the clear coat did pull up, but we'll have to sand it down and make it all smooth before we can wrap it. Like I showed you before, the door handles are out. So you got this, you just have to pull these to open it. Really janky, but it works. Yeah, the wrap took forever. My hands are like dead right now. They are completely like raw just from pulling the wrap off. But anyways, time for the color reveal. You'll see right here. He went with tech wrap. I've never worked with tech wrap before, so this is gonna be first for me. I don't know what to expect. I've heard good and bad about it. We'll see. I'll just have to wait and see what happens. This is gonna be a first for me. I've never worked with this before, but let me show you guys. So this is chrome. I guess it's their neochrome. I don't know the exact name. The name is something crazy, but it's got that green, yellowish orange color to it. So it's color changing with the light. We're gonna do some carbon fiber accents as well, but I gotta get this all cut to size. That way I can start working on the fender. I might try to knock out both fenders tonight and then get everything done tomorrow. It is a really clean color. I love the color. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the car. I'm just interested to see how it's gonna react because I've never really worked with tech wrap like that before, especially chrome to begin with. So the wrap is very thick. I'm assuming it's gonna be hard to work with. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you made it this far, make sure you drop a like. Also, smash the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. I'm going to be rewrapping it. You already saw the crazy color, so we're gonna be doing that. Make sure you turn on post notifications, that way you don't miss when I actually drop it. Anyways, guys, that wraps it up for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.